Okay, welcome back. Let's just go ahead and wrap up with the case of Yates versus United States, where Yates challenged his being prosecuted under the Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 2002, a law designed to penalize financial fraud. Well, speaking for the majority, ruling for the majority of the court was the great RBG, Ruth Bader Ginsburg. And I have to say, I had the great honor of meeting her in person when I became a member of the United States Supreme Court in 2007, a few years before this case was decided. And she's just a fabulous, I'm a big fan of RBG. And she said, look, no, we're going to throw out this prosecution. The Sarbanes-Oxley Act was designed to deal with financial fraud, not with commercial fishermen. And so using a well-known canon of statutory interpretation, she said, look, the law is really singling out financial records. And so when it says other tangible objects, it doesn't mean anything that you could physically touch. It means other objects that are like financial records. Bank statements, things that are not maybe specifically specified in the law, but that would be relevant to financial fraud. In Dissent, Justice Elena Kagan wrote a very powerful dissent. And by the way, she got 3 other votes. It was a 5-4 case. It could have gone the other way. Justice Kagan said, look, I'm going to take a literal approach. And the law says, yes, the law is about financial fraud. Yes, the law really identifies a bunch of financial records, but it does have the words or other tangible objects. And a fish is a tangible object. And in one of probably the great moments of Supreme Court history, Elena Kagan cites Dr. Seuss's book, One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish, for the proposition that a fish is a tangible object. So I believe this was the first time Dr. Seuss was cited in a United States Supreme Court opinion. And so it's a great case all around. All right, good. I'll do one last just closing video just to recap what we've done in Module 2.